We're at the Penobscot building, and we have another set of elevators. These look neat. Whoa, wait. Haughton? Of course that doesn't work. Rip. I think these ones were the original ones I saw the video of. Okay, wait, two are lighting up. This one's got a different pad. Aww, it got modernized. But it's not. Nice. I think these are the ones I watched a video of on YouTube from a while ago being original. Wow. What was it? This is cool. There's like 3 different call stations. 4 if you count the one on the freight. I don't know what that's about. Are there any other elevators here? I don't see. Doesn't look like it. Anyway, okay. This is an odd building, I have to say, the way it's laid out. It's very mazy. Look, you can see the pit all the way down there. I like these cabs. Look at these. Honestly, I like these cabs better than the other ones. Better than the ones in the main bank. These are cooler, I think. They seem more original. This wasn't nice. I wonder what F stands for. This building's beautiful. Excuse me. Interesting. That's where the old panel used to be. Anyway, that